Which grill mat is actually good for your deck? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that, breaking down 5 popular options to see which ones truly protect your outdoor space without burning a hole in your wallet.
Product number 1, UB Size 65 by 48 inch fireproof mat. The UB Size large 65 by 48 inch grill mat, this one caught my eye because of its size. At nearly 22 square feet, it's one of the largest on this list, and it's priced at $29.99. If you want serious coverage for a big grill or fire pit on your deck, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's made from fiberglass with a double-sided silicone coating that handles up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That means sparks, grease splatter, and hot embers won't burn through it or damage your deck. Plus, it's waterproof and oil resistant, so cleanup is just a quick hose down or wipe with a damp cloth. The stitched edges help prevent fraying, and it folds up into a storage bag, great for camping or tucking away when not in use. With over 3,000 bought in the past month, it's clearly popular. Now, some people might complain that it's a bit bulky when folded, and honestly, it's not the most compact option. But here's the thing, if you need maximum coverage, that bulk comes with a purpose. It's designed to protect large areas, not fit in a tiny bag. This is perfect for you if you have a large deck, use a big grill or fire pit, and want peace of mind knowing your surface is fully protected. Skip this one if you're tight on storage space or only grilling occasionally with a small setup. For the price and performance, it's a solid value. Product number 2, Rumlik 48 by 30 inch compact fireproof mat. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be better for smaller decks or tighter budgets. The Rumlik 48 by 30 inch mat comes in at just $19.99 and is lightweight at 1.32 pounds. If you want reliable protection without spending much, this one deserves attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses the same fiberglass and double-sided silicone coating as pricier models, rated for up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That means it blocks heat, oil, and grease from reaching your deck or grass. The surface stays clean, just hose it off or wipe it down, and it folds easily for storage. It's also versatile, works under grills, fire pits, or even as a temporary fireplace mat indoors. Over 2,000 sold last month shows it's a trusted pick. Now, the downside, at 48 by 30 inches, it's not huge. If you have a wide grill or like to move things around a lot, you might find yourself repositioning it often. Also, some users note the edges can curl slightly after heavy use, though it hasn't torn in most cases. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller deck, use a standard size grill, and want something affordable and easy to store. Skip this one if you need full coverage under a large Blackstone or multiple burners. For the price, it's a steal.
Product number 3, Rumlik 79 by 39 inch extra large mat. If the Rumlik's smaller size felt limiting, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Rumlik 79 by 39 inch mat is built for serious grillers, especially Blackstone users, and costs $33.99. If you want wide, long coverage that stays put under a big setup, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The extended length gives you room to place your grill, tools, and even a side table without worrying about spills or heat damage. Like the others, it's fiberglass with silicone coating on both sides, handling up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It's waterproof, oil-proof, and cleans up fast, just hose it off. The thickness is a bit more than the smaller Rumlik, which helps with durability. Over 1,000 sold in a month shows it's gaining traction. Now, the flaw, it's heavier and stiffer, so folding it neatly takes a little effort. Some users also mention it can slide on smooth deck surfaces if not anchored, especially in wind. This is perfect for you if you use a large flat-top grill, want extra workspace protection, or grill frequently. Skip this one if you have a small patio or need something ultra-portable. For heavy-duty use, it's a great investment.
Product number 4, Linda's Essentials 48 by 30 inch family mat. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for everyday families. The Linda's Essentials 48 by 30 inch mat is priced at $15.98, making it the most affordable on this list. If you want trusted quality at a budget-friendly price, this one surprised me. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses high-quality fiberglass with a thickened silicone coating, offering the same 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit heat resistance. The stitched edges help prevent curling, and the surface repels oil and water, so cleanup is a breeze.
It's also foldable and stores easily. What sets it apart is the brand. Linda's Essentials is a family-owned company trusted by over 5 million customers, which adds a layer of reliability you don't always get with generic brands. Now, the downside, the packaging isn't as polished as others, and some users say it feels a bit thinner than expected. But in real use, it holds up well. Just don't expect luxury presentation. This is perfect for you if you want reliable protection without overspending, especially for weekend grilling. Skip this one if you need industrial-grade durability or plan to use it daily. For the price, it's hard to beat.
Product number 5, FireWest 30 by 48 inch silicone-coated mat. The FireWest 30 by 48 inch mat comes in at $19.99 and focuses on advanced materials. If you want a mat that emphasizes fireproof technology and easy maintenance, this one's worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a double-sided silicone coating over fiberglass, rated for 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and the surface is designed to repel oil and water completely. That means sauces, grease, and spills sit on top, never soaking in, so cleaning is as simple as wiping with a damp towel. It's also foldable and comes with a drawstring closure for storage. The 0.02-inch thickness keeps it lightweight but durable. Now the flaw? The drawstring bag isn't the sturdiest, and a few users reported it tearing after a few uses. Also, at 30 inches wide, it might feel narrow for wider grills. This is perfect for you if you value easy cleaning and want a mat that stays stain-free season after season. Skip this one if you need maximum width or plan to use it in high-wind areas. For low-maintenance protection, it's a strong contender. So which one should you pick? The UB size if you need maximum coverage, the Rumlik 48 by 30 inch if you're on a budget, the larger Rumlik 79 by 39 inch for big grills, Linda's Essentials for everyday value, and FireWest if easy cleaning is your top priority. Each has its strength. Just match it to your deck and grilling style. Thanks for watching and happy grilling!